Okay, so when you receive your resident, the machine's gonna look exactly like this. The lockout button's gonna be on. The firmness level is going to be set to about half, and the mode is going to be in static. First thing you want to do is unlock the machine. So you're going to press gently and hold the lockout button. 1, 2, 3. You'll hear it beep and then let go. Once that's off, you're able to press the auto firm button. This is going to make the bed firm enough for you to be able to turn him and provide care. So you're going to press and release. You'll hear the machine get a little bit louder, and you'll see the elder rise up in the bed because the mattress is getting hard. And then you'll see the clock will show 10 minutes, and that's going to count down how long it's going to remain in the auto firm setting. So once you're done your care, or 10 minutes has run out, so I'll say once you're done care and say there's still time remaining on the clock, you're just going to go back to the auto firm button, press and release, and automatically the machine will go back to its previous settings. So your firmness will go back to about half, and it'll go back to the static setting here. And all you need to do is press the lockout button just once to make sure that no changes can be made when you're not here. So it's just that simple.